Meet Codey Rocky, a smart little robot that makes learning to code fun, interactive, and hands-on. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about robotics, Codey Rocky is the perfect companion to bring your imagination to life. With Codey Rocky, you can code stories, games, and even intelligent robots. Packed with over 10 sensors, programmable LED display, and wheels to explore, it's more than just a toy. It's your gateway into coding and AI. Now, let's see what's inside the box. First, we've got the color identification card. This helps Codey Rocky see and react to colors. Next, the robot controller. Codey, this is the smart brain with the screen and buttons. Then, we have the robot chassis. Rocky, the wheels and the body that let Codey move around like a car. Here's a lanyard, so you can carry Codey around like a cool gadget. And finally, the micro USB data cable to charge and connect Codey Rocky to your computer for programming magic. This is mBlock, a fun coding platform to program our robot, Codey Rocky. Let's connect our device to the mBlock interface. And now Codey Rocky is ready to follow our commands. This big space is called the blocks area, where we drag and snap code together. Go to the events section and drag when button A is pressed. Now duplicate it 2 more times and change them to when button B is pressed and when button C is pressed. From the looks blocks, drag show image and pick a shape you like. From lighting, drag set RGB light to choose your favorite colors. And from speaker, drag play sound hello so Codey Rocky can say hello. That's it. We've created our first program. Now let's try an activity with the color cards. First, I'll put the blue card in front of Codey Rocky. Now, I'll place the red card a little further away. How cool is that? Codey Rocky can recognize colors and react with different movements, just like a real smart robot buddy. Now let's try an obstacle avoidance activity with Codey Rocky. I'll place an object in front of it and watch carefully. When Codey Rocky sees the obstacle, it doesn't crash. Instead, it changes direction and avoids it. This way, Codey Rocky can move around freely without bumping into things. Wow, what an adventure today! We made Codey Rocky smile, light up, talk, follow color cards, and even avoid obstacles. And guess what? This is just the beginning. With Codey Rocky, you can create endless fun with coding. So keep exploring, keep coding, and get ready for even more awesome adventures with your smart little robot buddy, Codey Rocky. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our robotics course at MakersPlace. To purchase your own Codey Rocky, visit the Edu Marketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos